Hey yo, what is up guys, back with another video here. So today we are playing Animal Company, you see here. So this is part 1, if you guys haven't seen the title. This is part 1 of mining for the, what was it called? German Shepherd. Yeah, you see. I really want the German Shepherd. But 6,000, I only have 465. Yeah. So yeah, this is part 1. So yeah, I already have all the stuff, I think, to do it. Bam, boom, ping, pow. Let's see. Let's go back up. Okay. I'm ready. Let's go! Infinity and beyond! Ugh. Okay. Please like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. Seriously, it would help me out a lot, guys. You don't have to, but I'm just saying it's completely free. Alright. Let's do this thing. They changed up the mines again, bro? Really? They did it like 2,000 times. That's more than Jackson Craven and Jamark Bartholomew the Fourth, bro. Like, oh, here it is. This is what I was looking for. Where the heck is all the gold, bro? Come on now. You gotta be kidding me, bro. There's like no gold. Yeah, I got a research point. Not bad. Oh, I'm scared. He's cool. Oh, he saw me. Yo, that was kind of crazy. I didn't even see a single research point. One gold. Oh, there you go. That's what I want. Here we go, baby. Let's go. Damn fool. Let's go! I just got a lot from that. Hey, I gotta be from that. Damn. I've seen a lot of those. Oh, wait, this is actually gonna kind of help me. Hold up. Just watch. We can set it right. Need to run. Ready? It's gonna get to me. See? Kind of. It doesn't really matter, but. Jeez, I'm actually cooking it. I'm gonna end the video when, like, I can't get any more because you have a limit to get them. So, yeah. And I'm gonna be giving, at the end of the video, I'm giving all this stuff away. But I'm gonna give all of it away to the public. I'll literally go into a public server at the end of the video, if I remember. And I'll give the backpack away. Or I'll just sell it, or I'll just drop it. Just drop everything. It's too good. Okay. I'm shotgun ammo. Oh no, I hear the spider. That's why I don't want to fight it, bro. That thing's like invincible. I mean, if it can't hit me, I mean, like, I don't know if I do. This might take a bit, by the way, guys. Like, the mobs got the buff. Wait, never mind. That they're like insanely good. Cause like they have a lot more health now. I feel like. Let's go. 515. At the beginning of this year, like 465. I think. Those I only get the big ones, from the silver ones. Tell me if the silver ones are better than the gold. I think the gold's better though. But comment down below if anyone's generous, because I don't get that much views. Like, you guys don't have to like and stuff, but I just want at least some views, because then more people would start seeing it. Yeah, it's a very low chance to see me on YouTube, but yeah, hoping you guys will. Be very nice. Oh no, man! Didn't explode. Okay. Surprisingly, this backpack's getting kind of heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in. Oh nah, brother! Look at those goofy out teeth, bro! Oh nah! Oh crap! Pro Gorilla Tag player. Oh. No. I need to mind that. I'm gonna give the backpack away. Okay, I'm giving the backpack away. I don't know how much gems it has in it, but what's this? 50,000 nuts, 2,000 company coins, 10 reach. Jeez! Jumpstart pack. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, let's see how much. 13? It's not all just gold, but that's not bad. I'll give it away. If anyone says any cuss words, I'm hoping my family and no one gets mad at me, because I don't want it to happen, but yeah. Guys, I'm just gonna give all this stuff out.
Get a teleportation grenade. Get a teleportation grenade. Drop it. I'm about to report you if you don't stop.
No, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm offend you.
Silver! Who wants to gamble?
I have a bag. Alright, join me.
Who wants a random item? Who wants a random item?
Yo.
Who wants a random item?
People are digging
W! How do you unlock stuff? How do you unlock stuff? Red, how do you unlock stuff? Red,
Somebody have a lag bag?
Wait, can you see this in my head?
Alright, well, I did not think those people would be that happy about it, but they would. By the way, yeah, I'm not even close to 100 subscribers, but when I get 100 subscribers, I am giving, where is it? Is it this one? Nope, not that one. This is my rarest bag I have. OG. Most of this stuff is big and small. And this silver is OG. I'm giving all this stuff away when I get 100 subscribers. I'm far away from that, but that's my goal. I'm gonna give all that with it. I'm gonna give all of that away. Lit. Yeah, I have lots of money. Alright, let's go. Damn, that's fucking perfect, bro. You see that one? I'm kind of just embarrassing myself right now, but I don't really care. All my classmates are probably gonna laugh at me, but I don't really care. My dream is when I'm 20, like, I'm not gonna say my age. You guys probably guess in the comments. But, let's go. Jeez, bro. I got a full just from today. Full step back. Oh, shoot. Why is there so many spiders? There's a buttload of gold in there, I think. You won't? Swear, cuz. Swear, huh? Swear, bro. You won't? Come on, bro. Yeah. You don't give up, huh? Maybe you do. I don't know. There's no spider at least. That's probably gonna get me, isn't it? No, it didn't. Oh shoot, what? Let's go. Okay. Can't touch that. Just a little tip, those spider webs, if you touch one, then it will attract the spider. You know what? People, like, did you hear a kid like saying, Silver! Silver! Did you hear a kid saying that? I'm just gonna collect all the big ones now. One of the big ones, the silver ones. Cause like, he was just screaming silver. Oh, get back! Yeah, come on, you ain't giving up, huh? Ew, look at your legs, bro! Brother! Look at those, dude! Flipping connected, fool! Yeah. Your brother must be disappointed at you. Oh, hold up! It kind of worked. I can't even explain. Babe, this is shield? Test this guy fan. That. Oh my gosh, 565? I gained exactly 100. Oh no. Oh no. Come here, huh? Fool, step back, fool. Oh no. Oh. Crap, I need my backpack. Man, I actually really need my backpack. Come on. Ooh, that's pretty good. That spider ain't stealing my backpack, man. I'm gonna give him the Mike Tyson special. That's the way I go, right? Yeah. That's the entrance. I go this way. Oh yeah, I do go this way. What you looking at, huh? Goofy y'all. Oh no, I think I see a spider. I actually have no clue where I was. Oh, there's some gold here. I can still collect more. I'm so 360. Team actually hit there. Yo. Get over here. Come on, get in my bag. I know you. I said get in my bag, fool. Good. I think that this one on the bottom is like the best. Oh shoot, 2 big ones dropped with silver. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this backpack. I have the 10 items. They're useless. Alright. Yeah, this backpack's definitely feeling a lot better. Every time. Come on. Let's go. Doing pretty good. Oh no, leave me alone, fool. I didn't do anything to you. You're so fat. Chill, that's gonna kill me. I had to leave. That was gonna kill me. Alright, let's see how much stuff I got. I at least got like 7. 3 of those. Alright. It's not bad, I guess. Still gonna go get more though. That's what I hate about the mobs. Misclicked, of course, man. Of course. Come on. Yeah, it's alright. an idea. If I go this way, and then I go this way. Wait, isn't that the invisible landmine? You finally, and it's probably there for a while. This jacket, I have no clue how to get. You can get it for free, but I have no clue what the code is. Sadly, it doesn't really matter though. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put this in here, my storage, because just to save. Just to save. If I die, then at least still lives. Bam, pling, pow. I just go up and I go up to the darkness. A spider pops up. I die. No clue what I made it the fart noise. Okay. How am I still getting 650? Jeez, this is actually crazy. I don't want this one. No, small. Oh my gosh, I got lucky. No, you are not leaving my side. Okay, put that in there. Jeez! I'm stacking up on the big silver blocks. Big silver chunks. And let's see where to go next. This way. Oh! I found the jackpot! Okay, if I don't get any gold from these, then I think I'm gonna end the video. But still. I actually have no clue where to get. Is it changing colors? No, I think it's just the lighting. I think. Pretty cool. Alright. Jeez, bro. Not bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, mate. It's not too shabby. Let's see. I thought there was another purple crystal. Wait, no, there wasn't. Wasn't there like, let's see. No, never mind. It's not there. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking like that. What you looking at? Let's go. There it is. I knew I had to put gold chunk. Gotcha those. I got more. It's getting a bit heavy. Okay, probably gonna get more and then the giveaway. There's a lot of... Come on, bro. There we go. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Okay, thanks. No way. We just found a grappling hook. Help me out a lot. I'm gonna get 715 of gold, and I'll probably end the video. Wait, where'd my hook truck go? Wait. Oh, I can't leave him. I can't leave him. No. I can't leave him. I'm actually about to cry. No, I'm not. No. I'm not crying, you're crying. I'm not crying, you're crying. Okay, where the actual heck is the hook shop, bro? Bro, what the actual heck? I think I have to leave the shop behind me. If you guys can comment, please say RIP hook shop, please. I'm begging you guys. Here, though. Actually, I'll do this though. Here it is. Okay, after I put this piece of gold in, I'm leaving. Like, leaving the cave. Heavy. Man. I hear it, There it is. Okay. It's good enough. Okay. I can reach it. Maybe. Come on. Let's go. I'm too good, guys. Let's see how much I even got. The hook shot! Never mind, don't do RIP hook shot. Let's go. I'm keeping that hook shot. That's a keeper. Where is it? There it is. Okay, 21 it is. Nope, random. Yo,
Proton
I'm doing
PTN.
a giveaway.
Can you dupe this?
Wait, this isn't.
Yeah, sure, I got you.
Alright, he can.
I'm not
Guys, who wants money?
Yeah,
Oh,
Does
I like
anyone
some
in
money.
it?
Oh, that. Oh.
That's amazing
Oh.
not to have
Dude,
guns.
just join me,
Oh.
okay?
No.
Okay.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Cool.
Nigga, nigga.
Someone give me an
don't say
iPad bag.
Nigga.
Don't say that, bro. That's
Oh, is
bad.
that you? No, no. Is that you right there?
I didn't care about the whole try
Jump
about the
or
English.
something like fly up.
Yo.
So that's not you. Is
Tiny bad.
The Riz are good. I was getting kind of gooning to the Riz you love.
that Noah? Jump again.
All right.
Okay, when I reach 700, I'm gonna end the video, guys, alright? Actually, oh god, this hold up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna explore it and hopefully I get some money. Hopefully. Chances. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 705. Oh, yo, fool. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching if you guys made it this far. Actually, it means a lot to me. God bless you guys who have subscribed, liked, I don't really care. But this is part 1. Animal Company mining to get the German Shepherd. There it is. Alright. See you guys. Peace. Please like and subscribe. It's completely free.